Let's talk estimates. People say, how long do you think this is going to take? I can give you a rough idea. Now, here's the thing with organizing, and here's the reason why you're probably hiring a professional. There's probably things that you have not dealt with, whether it be mental or emotional or even financial. If we encounter boxes, it could be this big, the box. And guess what? Inside of it is pictures of maybe somebody who's passed, maybe a really painful part of your life with a toxic partner. And it's not easy to go through those things, and that's why we avoid those things. So estimates are tough for that reason. If you're reaching out to me, I have a feeling that it's beyond a point of pricing. For somebody to reach out to a professional, it usually means I've accepted that I cannot tackle this on my own. So there's a difference between value and pricing. The value of investing in a service like this for sanity, peace of mind, room, whether that's energetically or physically preparing for a new phase of life, these things can actually be considered priceless. So when you're asking for estimates, keep that in mind as well.